Hello? Okay. That's already better. Okay, good. In that case, I'm restarting. Okay. So I created a sort of thing that I call a custom shape. A shape point, rather. And I put the idea of an angle in there. With a type of thing which is an arc and edge. I want to remove the arc idea. Because having arcs makes everything harder by a lot. Okay. Create arc. Vector. Okay, let's get rid of all that. Shape point. Yeah, you're gone. So I was thinking about it. How do you cut a shape? Let's say you have a square. And the square is defined by a bunch of points. And when you put those points together, you get lines. So let's say I decide that I want this line right here. And I want to cut everything that's above the line. So all of this gets deleted. In other words, all that I'm doing is checking line intersection. I can look at the intersection between this line and every single line, if there is one, within the bounds. So in this case, I find this, okay. Essentially, I'm looping through all those different edges. Hello, Emiel Regis, welcome. And then, if there's an intersection, then I can cut. And then look which point is on the right side and then delete one. Essentially, I'm sort of simplifying it, but it is the idea. Then I look at this line, is there an intersection? None. And then each point here, they're not on the right side, so I can ignore it. It's working. Hello. Oh, you were responding to my question. Yeah, I managed to fix it. So essentially, like this line right here, there's an intersection. So I can add my point. So essentially, I'm adding new points in between lines where there's an intersection, and removing points where it's just on the wrong side of the line. And then I end up with a new cut down shape. And like if my line has like a weird angle, it still works. Because then I'll loop through all my edges. And then I'll find these 2 points. Then I'll see, okay, this one here is on the wrong side. So I'm only gonna be left with this sort of shape. So this is assuming that the shapes, they are convex. I believe that's the word. Convex polygon. Convex is a... yeah, exactly. Non-intersecting. And then the below 180 degrees. Perfect. There's one thing I want to check. Create arc. Okay, nice. So I'm gonna create my arc up here instead. Custom shape. This is gonna be vector 2. Okay, all that gets deleted. Only the else is left. In other words, I can get rid of the if. Perfect. I'll have to test this, but I'll leave it as is for now. Tempted to just delete that. Wait, what did it do anyway? Yeah. Draw edges. This is now completely useless. Doesn't work. Right. 2, 3, 4, 1. The time is useless. Okay, we're getting somewhere at least. Okay, custom shape, let's go. So I give you my radius, sides, 60. Okay. Circle. Find arc shape points, perfect. Was that something I deleted? Yeah, it is. Okay, so I need to give you start.x radius along with vector and I need 2 vector out. Okay, that works. Result. Okay, for now let's just remove all of that. And let's see if this draws correctly. Whoa, it works. I think there's a bug though. Let's drop that down to 4 or 8. It actually works. Why? 4, that's 8. I'm guessing I already fixed the bug so fast I didn't really notice that I did it. I guess I'm just that good. Yeah, because that works. What is angle diff doing? What are sides? Okay, sides are used. Okay, that works. Perfect. Angle diff, perfect. Max steps. Yeah, everything is exactly as it should be. Oh, that's really sick. Okay, that works. Now for the harder part, I guess everything else can be deleted now. All this code I was keeping for later. Oop, deleted. Yeah. Deleted. You're back. I actually wonder why I put a vector 2 list array, I mean. There's really no reason not to make this a list. Create arc. Do you have a reason to not... Huh, I guess that one makes sense. I wonder if it's faster to loop. Oh, really? I'm kind of I find that interesting. I'm actually surprised for each takes that much longer. What makes it so slow? Yeah. Okay. Oh, whatever, it doesn't matter. Draw lines. Oh, right. I forgot I did that. Most of my code is commented out. Okay. So let's think of the algorithm. Let's say I do 0, 1. Okay, better. A, B, C, D. So let's say I have the line AB. I do AB intersection. Yes, found. Okay, I find that. What happens to A? I guess I need to create a new sort of array list, whatever, so that I add the new stuff. So if there's an intersection, I do, okay, I find my 3 points. A, something, which I'll call E. So the order of adding stuff would be A to E to B. If A is outside the bounds, then get rid of A. So don't add A, only add E. So in this case, I would get, I don't add A, I add E. I add B. Let's go. And I do B to C, no intersection. So okay, I don't add B again. So I add A, I add E, then go to the next. Then I add B, but I don't add C. Go to the next. Poop, find C, find this new E. Add C, good, add E, poop, go to the next. I end up in DA, both are not added. So no intersection, both are not added. Yeah, that works. Okay. So, in other words, if there is an intersection somewhere, this will give me the result 2. Otherwise, validate that the whole circle is on the right side. Perfect. Return, don't draw anything. Perfect. Okay. Do some edge interaction cutting. At this point, it sort of makes sense to have a function that doesn't return anything. Like is when circle intersect. Remove the out. Oops. T is never used. I'll leave it at 8 for now, but I'll have to remember to up the number. Okay, so I'm looping through my custom shape count. I want to start. Okay. Start at 0. Custom shape, perfect. Count, perfect. Yeah, that actually works. There is some cleanup to do. Okay. Okay. I need a function to check line intersection. In other words, I give you line 1, line 2, and then an out for the word out. Okay. This is gonna happen between custom shape J Okay, now I know why I put 1 there. Okay, mask I dot A, mask I dot B. And then the output, which is gonna be vector. Okay. If result if it equals 1, okay, so if it's equal to 1, in other words, do the cutting. So I'm guessing I have 2 steps. That's cool. I have it actually a sort of hack to make this simpler. Or maybe I don't. If shape j minus 1 okay. Okay, else actually that's another if. Mass added validate v1. Keep pressing. Validate that. If you're correct, let's go. Actually, v1 by definition should always be added. Yeah, perfect. Okay, that's good. That works. I was wondering why it wasn't giving me any errors. Mask, custom shape, added. Line result. Okay, in that case I can delete this. This only happens if custom shape that count is more than 0, more than 1. I guess I can put that there, doesn't matter. Makes it look slightly cleaner. Okay. Looping through all of those, adding stuff when it's needed. Draw edge. Oh, that's cool. Okay, when we're done, custom shape equals temp shape. I think I need to copy or something. Clone. Maybe it doesn't matter. If I do that. Yeah, perfect. Let's see if that does anything. It's pretty odd. Why? Oh. Nothing. Oh, that's cool. Oh. Did not expect that. Oh yeah. Oh, it's inverted. Okay, well, it's something. That's very cool. Okay, I think there's one quick fix. I think I'm gonna put this in a different order. Might not fix it, but it's gonna be more consistent. Maybe. Okay, I'm guessing. Radius, new circle. Hey, hello, Tinkalum. Hey, oh, did you just write that or did I miss your... How are you doing? I'm so annoyed that my lighting setup is bad. So dark. Same. I'm just kidding. I've been working on this sort of problem for a while, and I found some really cool stuff, like a way to think about. Sorry, a way to think about the problem. So this makes it really interesting. Oh, well, I mean, I told you already, but now I'm on Steam. I mean, you can't find my game on Steam, but I'm sort of on Steam. So that means that I'm able to launch the game, and then Steam plugs itself into my game. Shows like the amount of time I played, and I mean all the news when there's gonna be some. I wonder if that works. How do I press F12? Well, F12. Oh, it works. Yeah, so I didn't know that worked. So I'm able to take screenshots. Whoa. Yeah, I mean, I didn't code that. Like, Steam does like that by itself. Okay. This is so odd. The only way that I can understand how that works is if Yep. Okay, that's the reason. Oh, that's annoying. So annoying, actually. I'll just make a function so I don't have to think about it. That's now completely useless, but I'll keep it. Okay, public. It should be private, but I don't really care. Private, public. Convert. Convert to local. So from a game coordinate to a local coordinate. Wait a second. Never mind. Just got a better idea. Draw edges. Right now I'm adding the start point. This is gonna get deleted. Boop, boop, boop. Perfect. Now that this is deleted, I need to add it back into the create arc. Create arc is going to take a new parameter. Double vector. V. Okay. Plus V. Now that works. As far as I can tell, this shouldn't break. At least what's... oh shit. Unless there's a... yeah, unless I do that. Yeah. Okay, well, it's still... whoa. It almost works. Whoa, what? Very close from working. What is that? Added some point 5. What? Always 5? 4? Wait a second. Either I made a J. Oh. Oh, that's why. I mean, of course it was like that. Let's rearrange that. Oh. Very cool though. Huh. What? Oh, by the way, this shouldn't be there. Should be there. So for some reason, so I'm guessing it's just that the order that I'm adding the points is wrong. I'm going towards the future.
About the cursed mummy boy who felt his heart no more. So sad and lorn, the helpless lad, Amumu was his name. He ventured out to find a friend and learn about his bane.
I don't understand.
For many years, young Amumu traveled through the lands, determined to make friends if only they would understand. But even when Amumu stood upon the ledge of home, his hope would disappoint him, and he would remain alone. But then the curse began to whisper in his ear, and would confirm what was Amumu's biggest fear. It pledged that never shall someone become his friend. It pledged that he shall be alone until his end. Sorrow and despair became too much to bear.
Never. The line result is never 1. Oh, and sometimes it is. Oh, wait.
The moment when Munu realized what he had done. Too late it was for him, for them. The evil curse had won. The anger and the anguish overwhelmed his fragile soul and caused a wicked tantrum that he never could control.
The cutting is bad. It's moving based on my line. Let's try it if I'm over here. Oh man, this is so close. Right there, this is almost right. Are you? Oh, is that what's happening? Zero. I think that's why. Hello, Shadowfang. Oh wow. What can you do though if you track him? You will pay him a visit. Hey, thanks for hacking my account. Woohoo. So I guess I had it right earlier. Yeah. Drop it down to 4. Why? What I don't understand is why does the point move? Why? Why does the point move? My mic, I got. Why? This makes no sense. I'm guessing my intersection code is wrong or something. This one. Hmm. Okay, so so let's say I have this function. Yeah, I already know what they're gonna do. Arg. 1 and 2. Two lines. Yeah, that's fine. It's not how I coded the other ones, but whatever. I'm just reading up on intersection math or something. Actually, there's one thing I should do. Let's do this. Zero. Okay, let's do it. 0, 0. Okay. Let's see what this gives me. Nan. Just want to make sure I did it right. This is 0, 0. So I have something here. I have something at 2, 1, 2. I have something, let's use, at 1, 1. And I have something -1 right here. So this should give me this sort of line with intersection 1, 0. Yet it wasn't found. Okay, let's assume that it's the vertical line that breaks it. So let's use 1.1. It's not gonna be vertical anymore. Oh shit, it will be. My bad. Still no good. Okay, let's try this. 2, 2, 2, 0. Works now. It says 0, 0, 1. So I have a point at 0, 0, 2, 2. 0, 0, 2, 2. I have a point at 0, 2, 2, 0. Which gives me this 1, 1. What if okay, that's good. But this is my first try, and it didn't work. 1. I'll give 1, 2, So the point gets normalized. I think I copy pasted this line from the line above and made that mistake. Might be the only mistake actually. That appears to work. But not always, right? Huh. Okay. So it works, but I need to edit this so that the red line is infinite. Yeah. The red line needs to be infinite. What am I doing anyway? Okay, so I have a shape. Like I can grow. And it's never gonna appear on the wrong side of the line. So as you can see, if I have this line, the shape grows on that side of the line. If the line is rotated, you don't really notice the rotation, but I just rotated it. Now it's only growing on that side of the line. So the shape is always cut by the line. Okay. Now where's 0.2, 0.3? They end up in S2. What am I trying to fix? Well, what I was trying to fix is fixed now. Now I have a new problem. So I was trying to get it to cut correctly. So I'll make this more awesome. Here, I'll add, instead of 4, let's go up to 64. There you go. Poop. Now I have a circle. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. There's still a bug, but you don't notice it because there's so many points. It's so slow. What happened? Oh, never mind. I know what happened. Fuck. Yeah, I'm so stupid. Yeah, now I have so much debugging that it slows down the application. So now I know it works, and I know where the next problem is. Oh, and by the way, let's get rid of that test. Boom, perfect. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, now I have this circle that I'm able to cut on the right side of the line. So if it grows, it never grows outside of the line. Now there's a bug where this line is not infinite, this red line. Oops. So I need to make it work with an infinite line. So you see, poop. And as soon as the line starts to cross, now it's fine. Yeah. How exactly do I fix that? Let's say I do that. Never mind. I wonder if I can cause that to be a division by 0. S2 could be 0. So if I send the same point, kind of wish I saved my other thing. Okay. I guess that doesn't matter. Whatever. And I'll give you 0, 0. Perfect. 4. I think this is gonna crash. That's the reason I'm doing this. I want to see it crash. That's interesting. It doesn't crash. P2, P3 are both 0, 0. In other words, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So I get 0 times something is 0 plus times something is 0. So isn't that... Are you saying that in C sharp division by 0 is fine? For example, 10 divided by 0. Oops. They're not gonna let me. Fine. Temp v3 dot x, that's 0. No, but I mean, it's fine in that it, instead of giving me an error, it gives me not a number. 8. Wait. Okay, that's like really weird. Is my syntax just wrong? I just did 10 divided by 0. This is like something stupid. Like I'm doing something that I'm not realizing is not what I think is going on. But it's still giving me 8. I don't get it. Like the compiler, if I put straight up 0, complains. What? Temp v4, this is my variable. Oh, does it get modified in here? No. No. No, nothing is. Oh, you're right. I should also do that. X. Okay. Yeah, it is 0. This is a legit division by 0. But it's giving me 10 divided by 0, 8. Did I just discover what? Okay, let's change 10 to like 20. Is this really like as stupid as I? It's still 8. I guess a division by 0 is 8. So 10 divided by 0. No, you're not. It's like I'm ahead of my time or something. Yeah, I discovered a new branch of math. Like that feel when everyone in the world is just stupid. Like, it's kind of obvious when you think about it. Like 20 divided by 0 is 8. This is like too normal. Okay. 0 divided by 0. The ever. Huh, now it's not a number. One. I guess we'll never know what 0 divided by 0 is. Eight. Why? Is that really? How? Yeah, that's true. Why 8? So this is a float. I'm guessing floats, they mess everything up. 1F. Is there a problem with floats? Is the 0 just not really 0? Okay. Int 0. Okay, now this is an int. Hello, Tak. Are you ready to learn what a division by 0 is? Oh, now it crashes. So why? So the float, okay. If it's a float, now it's 8. What's up with that? Okay, let's try in Python. Type of 0 and 0.0 float. Okay, that gives me a float. Okay. How do you do a variable in var? I forgot how to create variables in Python. How oh, we just do like hello equals, oops. Okay, we just need to put the, okay, that's why. Yeah, exactly. The thing exists. Okay, so hello. So 10 divided by hello. Yeah, so Python is sane. Type of hello. It's a float. But like C# is giving me 8. Yeah, Python didn't get updated. That's probably why. Because 1 divided by float 0 is 8. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. All this code is useless. Useless. Let's just get rid of all of that. Yeah, let's just put a bunch of question marks. So my variable is 0. Okay, let's just do a bunch of that. Remove all of that. Oh yeah. Plus. Okay, so 0 is gonna show me 0. And then 1 divided by 0. Oh, and let's do it like that too. Float super result equals 1 divided by 0. Let's also put the result. Ah, shit, keep pressing wrong stuff. And super result. It's not crashing and it's giving me 8. This is like as stupid as it gets. No, because if I put like, okay, some other result. If I do 1 divided by 0, now the compiler is not happy. Or is it? Yeah, it doesn't build. Because it sees, oh, 0, obviously it's not good. But if I put it into a variable, now it doesn't realize that it's 0. I kind of don't understand, and I cannot trust C# anymore. If this is the if this is what happens, then I cannot trust it ever. I guess I need... Yeah, Microsoft created C#. Can someone else test? I guess I need to create a new project. Test it on something else. Maybe it's like I'm importing something that's messing up. Yeah, this is distracting me. I kind of want to go further. Is there like a online C# interpreter or something? What is that? Hello world, run it. Hello world. Okay, we're in business now. Float 0 equals 0. Float result equals 1 divided by 0. Hello world. Run it. Unenlich? What is that? What is unenlich? I mean, this is... What language is that? Never ending. That's German. Is this a German site? Oh, hello, Brian C. What am I trying to achieve? I'm having a big, weird issue. So I'm creating this variable called 0. It's a float. And then I do a super result. 1 divided 0. And the result is 8. Like, I'm printing, what is the value of 0? Oh wait, yeah, exactly. The value of 0 is 0. Then I go, I do it in line. I guess this one can be deleted. It's no longer required. Yeah, so the super result is 8. So 1 divided by 0 is 8. But I see that this compiler doesn't give me the same result. It's giving me what is expected. They're saying like infinite, like, yeah, wonky. Wow. Okay, I need to like start a new project. Just give it a test. Let's go and let's see if it's Visual Studio the problem or something. Let's create a new project. Okay. Let's write it like that. Result. So this is a completely different program. Result. Let's run it. No, yeah, oh, you're right. Well, I'm assuming that the answer is yes, but I didn't have time to read it. Is there a console break or something? Sleep? Okay, read. Key. Sure. I think that's gonna break. Result is 8. So my whole computer is messed up. Can I try a different compiler or something? Is there a... Right here. Project. Post it? No, but I think it's like my computer. I mean, unless someone here can try this. Because if I use just 0, like float, super result, whatever, 1 divided 0, now it doesn't like it. But when the 0 is in a... But like someone did ask the question, what happens if I do, let's say 2 plus 0. Or 2 times 0. Okay, 2 plus 0 first. And then 2 times 0. Yeah, you see the 0 is still a 0. It behaves like 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0. But 1 divided by 0. Okay, let's get rid of that. Am I still running? One. Okay, let's. It doesn't matter if it's 1, but whatever. It's all. There you go. Yeah, you see? 1 divided by 0, 8. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 times 0, 0. Like this is... okay, is there a way to change target framework? Build? Is there a way to change the compiler or something? Oh, I didn't know that option was there. Okay. Maybe. No, still. Optimize code, let's try that. No, still no, nothing. How do... Is there another compiler I can use or something? If I change that to real, I don't really want to do that. I can't continue coding if I know that this is a problem. Okay, well, let's try it. Okay. Float result equals 1 divided by 0. I mean, not that 0, that one. Oh, and by the way, that error only happens with a float. If I use an int, like if this is an int, now it's perfectly fine. Boop, crashes. Division by 0. If it's a float, that's when it works. It breaks, I mean. So int is fine, but the float, and let's try double. The double, so the floating point variables, they don't work. Okay, and then if I want to do, I don't really need the parentheses, but whatever. So 8 plus 2 equals 8 plus 2 is 8. Huh. So the whole variable is broken then. So that's not an 8. Is it? Is there a way to see the binary? Okay. How do I... Oh, the result is infinity. Oh! So they're showing me 8, but it's infinity. Oh, I didn't know I could edit. What? So there was no problem all this time. Infinity. But why does it show it as 8? Wow, are you shitting me? You were... How does that make sense? Who chose that? How does it display 8? Why does it even display infinity? I think infinity is a mistake. Even if it is, I think that's a mistake. Yeah, but what? I mean, sure, I guess you don't know if every computer supports the infinity sign, I guess, maybe. But what? See, okay. Okay, divide by 0 exception class. Is that what I want to see? Number. Don't do it on int, do it on float. Oh, wait a minute. This is so misleading. infinity, negative. Yeah. This exception is raised at runtime when the compiler tries to divide a number by 0. No. I mean, I'm getting there. The way that I'm doing it is starting to work. Oh, by the way, okay, so I guess I'll consider this solved. But it just sucks that there's no division by 0 error. Like 8. I mean, this is an 8, right? Yeah, that is 8. They legit put 8 instead of... I mean, I have no explanation for why there's an 8 there. Okay, so level solver, what's going on? Here, this is what is going on. For the level solver to work, I need to be able to grow shapes. In other words, the size of the circle is a function of the time. Okay, but let's say the circle is here, and it needs to cut a corner. For example, it grows, and it's cutting this corner. Boop. Wrong way. Okay. Let's just create a new thing that is. I wanted to cut this corner, I guess. This corner. Okay. There you go. So as the shape is growing, if we're only looking at this corner, I need a way essentially to put a line and only make this shape grow below the line. The shape is only going to exist inside of these different boxes. Yeah, anyway, so I'm not sure how to explain it better, but essentially I have code now that grows shapes and that can allow me to cut by lines, and let's just make something cool with that. Free play. So now I have a cursor 2 and a cursor 3. These do the same. The version on MATLAB works, but it's not perfect enough. It's too slow, and like this is like subjective, but how do I explain this? Okay, the version on MATLAB is pixel based. In other words, let's say I have someone decides to go crazy and they want to create this massive level, like a new level, and they want this level to be super big. Okay, they want this to go like that, and they want this to grow like that. Okay. So this here would be every square is 100 pixels. Why does it do that? Oh, that's a new bug. I cannot zoom in anymore. So every square is 100 pixels. So in other words, this big thing here would be massive, like a few thousand pixels. So since the solver in MATLAB works per pixel, then it would like the algorithm would be extremely expensive. What I'm doing here is it doesn't matter how many pixels there are. You made more work. Yeah, so this version here, all that is important is the shape is able to grow. It's able to get cut by a line. But the way this circle is defined is not by pixels. It's by the shape, the circle itself. So a circle has a start position, and then it has a radius, which is a function of the time by the speed. So it's very easy to check if something is... yeah, anyway, so... what I'm doing is like something that actually... kind of wish I had better examples, but... yeah, anyway. Now, I want to test something. Cursor 2. Okay. Let's do a list of tuple of vector 2 equals lines. Oh, but I know lines. Oh, let's call it cursor lines. Okay. Oh, that's a... yeah, exactly. Tuple. Create. supposed to do it? Yay. Okay. 0, 0. Okay. Let's create a new thing called int cursor cursor 3. Oh, am I even allowed to modify a... I should have created a new class actually, instead of a tuple. Let's create this stupid class. Cursor line. A cursor line is something that has a vector b. That's it. Okay, cursor lines is gonna be now a list of cursor lines. Cursor line. Perfect. Alright, peace. Thanks for stopping by. There you go. Now, cursor 3. Element selected line. B equals that. Perfect. A. As far as I can tell, this shouldn't glitch. It should still work. Oh, that works. Nice. But now I'm able to create a second line. Dun, 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 dun. I'm taking this old thing, but I want to make sure this is right. Add loop time. Never mind then. Let's create something new. Public. Press 1. Press 2. Let's go with... Okay, 2 for now. Oh, I can already do that. Select 1, select 2. Okay. Okay, delete that, delete that. Perfect. It works. Okay. Wait, it doesn't work? It almost works. I'm not sure why. Oh, I put 1 on both. Oh. It actually works. So I'm able to cut my shape by however many lines I want. Oh, how sick is that? Oh. So now let's say I have like this nice corner. What is that? Oh, okay. That's gonna be fixed later. Well, it's almost cool, I guess. Pretty cool. So this allows me to essentially limit the shape to the geometry of the game. Wow. I'm tempted to call it a day for now. That's some pretty good progress. Just this alone, the possibility to add lines, and I could add like 2 more lines just for the fun. Select line 3, 4. There you go. So now I can play with 4 lines. Okay, so now I can do line 1 here, line 2 here. Doesn't really need to be accurate. Oh shit, did I crashed it? Index out of range, where's that? Oh yeah, I forgot that. obviously. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. It looks weird, but it's working. Should add, there's one bug I didn't fix yet. Wow. I want to make a game based on this mechanic alone. One day. Hmm. Okay, so I think I'll be done now. There's one. Okay, technically this is done. Two. It's annoying. Okay. What do I need to do tomorrow? Fix bug. I guess I'm not gonna write that here. Let's write it. Do one of the lines should be infinite. Perfect. There you go. So thanks for watching, guys. Sorry this was like such a short stream, but I want to keep it short since I haven't streamed in a long time. And like just today's work makes it like everything very clear, what like the steps that needs to be followed. Anyway, peace.